today's video. Today we'll be making pasta with ricotta cheese. The first ingredient is 50 milliliters of water, 350 grams of pasta, and 200 grams of ricotta cheese. Get a pan and fill it up with water and leave it to boil. Now the water is boiling, so we have to put the salt that we have. Then we have to get the pasta and we have to pour it in. Now please leave it to cook for how many minutes it says on the cooking pasta box. Now we get the water and we put it inside a pan. And we put the fire on. Then we get the ricotta. We put it in and we mix. Now we get the pasta and we put it with the ricotta, and you have to mix very well. At the end you can put some black peppers if you want in it. We have finally finished our wonderful plates. I really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you, bye!